welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. My name is Mariel and your name is?
Michael, and his name is Squeaky.
Squeaky is Michael's little friend, a red panda. Anyway, tonight, I'm going to make a shepherd pie. I like shepherd pie, especially during winter time, and I'll show you how to do it. Alright, the ingredients that we need, we have a beet mince here, we got celery, we got onions and garlic, we have mixed vegetables, we have a tomato paste, we have a chicken stock in here, we got seasoning, and for the mashed potato, I'll show you the clip. Alright, so let's make our shepherd pie.
Shepherd pie.
That's a good one, Michael. Alright, okay, let's do the shepherd pie now. Well, Michael can have a shepherd pie because there's no egg and peanut with all the ingredients that we'll be using, because little Michael have egg and peanut allergy. Alright, our shepherd pie is now cooked and I'm going to transfer that to our pan and put the mashed potato on top. Alright, our oven is now preheated for 180 Celsius degrees and we're going to put our shepherd pie there for about 10 minutes. That is really good, I like it.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna add some Tabasco because I like spicy. This is really good, let's try it again. It's really tasty.
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Nom 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 nom.
really good. Alright guys. Alright guys, that's all for our video for now, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and take care everyone. Bye!